Hey, what's going on? What's going on, guys? It's Dark Geomatter here. Today I'm playing Cursed Islands. It is very loud. I am turning this down. Oh goodness. Okay, what to do? Sick. Because that's the only thing I can. Okay.
He's a nerd!
Hey, everybody. Three, Hey everybody, I'm recording. I have no idea why I said that. I just wanted to. Why the heck not? Okay. Okay. It's true. My YouTube is Dark Geo. My YouTube is Dark Geo. Let's go, everybody.
Everybody, at your hand.
Let's go. How much longer do we have to put up with all this? Okay. Let's do this. Okay, what's gonna happen? Okay. Okay. Anybody. Everybody should say hi to YouTube. I think I can make it. Say hi. Olay. Let's go. Okay. Oh, I barely made it. Just barely. Oh, I was going on to that one. I was going to go on to that one. I'm so happy I didn't. Hey, that plate has returned to normal. I call it. I'm kidding. Let's go. This one for the win. Okay. Boom. There's nobody else except for us. I can win this. I can win this.
No, she's at work. Seth! Well, here.
Oh, come on.
Okay.
Darn it.
Love you too.
You
Bye.
should have died.
Why were you going in the bathroom? Seth? Why were you going in the bathroom?
Come on.
Why were you going in the bathroom? If you have
No!
to go.
Second place!
You got second place.
No! Come on. That's
Oh, I
dumb.
got fifth place.
Ah. Come on. Everybody still here? Happy? Ah, not again already?
I am
Oh,
speed boots.
not again.
Speed boots.
What can we do now?
Wait. I'm on the trampoline.
Go. Okay, what to do now? Let's go to the other trampoline one. Let's go.
How do you have it?
Cause I can. Come on, get there.
Come on, yes.
Come on. Okay. 5, 7, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Finally.
Hey, why are you moving away from me?
There goes that one. There's a sword. Oh, crud. He has a sword. Run, run, run.
Run, hurry, with this one.
Oh, phew.
Oh, frost cracking. Good thing I was in there.
And is this really everybody? Possibly. I'm gonna end it at 5-minute mark.
Hurry, Rick. Oh,
Okay. 10-minute mark is 1 minute away.
let's go out where it's ice.
Okay. What else to do?
Ray, there's ice.
Actually, I'm gonna go until I can win. Hopefully I can. I have a bad feeling.
I have a bad feeling about this one.
I have a good feeling about this one.
I have a bad feeling about that one. I knew I had a bad feeling about this one.
How are we going to win this? Feels like it's going to be impossible. No, I jumped!
Yeah.
I got second again! Come on!
4. That's better than nothing.
Okay, it may be the 10-minute mark. I hate to end the video here, but It's the only thing that I have to do to end the video. Click this button in the corner. Okay,
great. It's
goodbye
happening
guys.
already.
This was Dark Demon Matter, and I will see you next time.